crashed into the... It's party time. So it is 9:43 in the morning. I got a call last week saying, hey, do you want to come do this thing? It's like a boat thing where we get in a boat and we drink, and it starts in a couple of hours. They're more worried about getting there on time, but I just want a coffee. 10 minutes. I could get a coffee in 10 minutes.
Thank you.
Just uncut. Fucking told us I could do it. 5 minutes too.
We'll make it in 50 minutes if we do a little bit more.
What time do we have to be there? 11.
11.
I'll run and get some cigars. Why don't you boys come with me?
Come with, yes, perfect.
I have to.
No, if I run, I'll probably throw up.
We'll grab it a lighter.
What? Fuck off.
Bro, being drunk is a superpower.
Bro, it is 12 o'clock.
This is the first.
What do you mean?
I've never ran. Yeah.
Yeah, for some reason the smoke is starting to off. And now the motor's not working, so... Fire. It detects the smoke. Probably the cigarette.
Fuck! Why, no, wait. Where's the fire detection? Oh, fuck. Fine. And we've got life jackets. We're not gonna die. It's fine.
I don't need a life jacket.
And if we die, who's better to die with than a good group of close friends? Yeah?
Margot Robbie.
Oh, fuck yeah.
Yeah. We're off the boat. Fucking hell.
Bro, I'm fucking hungry, man.
Yeah, I'm starving. You're always hungry. I'm starving. That's saying something.
Time.
It's 1:30 in the afternoon.
But it feels like we've done so much today.
Yeah, it's been a big day. That's crazy.
That's probably the most I've ran
ever.
Yeah.